Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to be removing the tail lights for my car. By the way, I just got the money today for the damages, so I'm going to be fixing this pretty soon, which is awesome. So the tail lights I'm going to talk about is these parts. This is already tinted. If you guys can't see it, it's a little bit darker, and these parts are not, because like you see this line, he kind of like bends. It's like a really weird shape, so I'm gonna remove this part on both sides and do it at home. Go in the back over here, take this and push it down, and then I'll show us this. So I'm gonna remove this plastic piece first on the top over here because it's gonna make my life easier. So what I did on the other side was remove a clip that looks like this. So it's like over here. So it's like over there. You guys see it. But I feel like I already broke. Yeah, shit. See, I broke this piece. And the clip is still there, so I'm gonna remove the clip. Right by the light, so the light is right here, the clip is above it, kind of. So there are these two 8mm bolts that I have to undo or whatever, and I didn't have the 8mm wrench, so I had to go to my dad's place and get it. So here's the 8mm. I'm gonna undo this and show you guys how to get it out. So here are the 4 bolts, as you can see, and I undid both sides basically. So now I'm gonna undo this little thing that like it just holds pressure from the trunk. This little thing like kind of pushes down on it. So I have to undo this, and then the light should come out. And I'm going to use something like this, and it's too small, for fuck's sake. So I actually managed to use the pliers on this, and it just comes off. Here's what it looks like. Then the light should come off. There are some clips inside, so I don't want to drop the light. I'm actually going to put the camera down, but I'm going to wiggle it up and down and left and right, and then get that light out. So here are the lights that I just took out. Pretty dope. Managed to get them out. It was kind of easy, to be honest. This is how the car looks like without the taillights. Yep, and here's the second side. Kind of dope, to be honest. Imagine driving like this, and cops are gonna be like, "What the hell is this guy doing driving without taillights?" So there are. They'll hold it, and now start securing them. So first thing I'm gonna do is put these on. Make it tight. Same with this one. Make this one tight as well. And now I'm gonna go inside and put the bolts on that secure this thing. Can you see anything inside? So basically these 2 things, I'm going to put them back and then plug the light in, and that's pretty much it for the installation. So I'm going to get back to you once I'm done. So I finally put everything back together. As you can see, everything's blacked out and it works just like it should. So as you guys saw there, I got everything installed back to how it was before. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.